Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to put up a sliding barn door. First, let's plan. Begin by carefully measuring your door opening's width and height. You'll need at least 6 inches of clear wall space on both sides of the opening for the door to fully open. Also, confirm your wall studs are robust enough to safely bear the weight of your chosen barn door. This crucial preparation ensures a smooth installation process. Next, we'll install the track system. Mark the desired track height, usually about 1 inch above the top of your door opening. Use a reliable level to guarantee the track is perfectly horizontal across the entire span. Secure the track firmly into your wall studs or a pre-installed header board using the appropriate hardware. This step is vital for the door's smooth and stable operation. Now, let's prepare your barn door itself. Carefully attach the hanger hardware to the top edge of the door, following the manufacturer's instructions. Make sure these hangers are evenly spaced and securely fastened to support the door's weight. Additionally, install the floor guides at the bottom of the door opening. These will prevent the door from swinging out of alignment. Finally, it's time for the grand reveal and final adjustments. Carefully lift your prepared barn door and hook its rollers onto the installed track. Adjust the door stoppers at each end of the track to control how far the door opens and closes. Test the door's movement to ensure it slides smoothly and quietly, making any necessary small tweaks for perfect operation and safety.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.